To create a web app using Windows, first gonna have to enable developer mode. Just go to settings, update, and security, and then click on for developer mode. Click yes. Then you're gonna want to go to the control panel. You're gonna want to click programs and then turn Windows features on and off. And then scroll down until you see Windows subsystem with Linux. Check it off and press OK. After that's all finished, go ahead and restart your computer. Okay, now we need to add on a few programs through the Microsoft Store. Just search Windows Terminal. Two things will come up, Windows Terminal and Ubuntu. Download them both. We now just need to pull up our bash that was downloaded with the Ubuntu. Search bash on the search bar. And you'll be prompted to create an account. So just follow those steps. I've already done it on my end, so it's not showing me. Now we need to update and upgrade. So sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get upgrade right after. Great. Once you've ran both of those commands, next run sudo apt-get, install curl, wget, and git for git, build-essential, libssl, so libssl-dev, libssl-dev, however you want to say it. Now we're going to install nvm. All you got to do is type in curl space -c space and do https://raw.github-user-content.com/nvm-sh.nvm/ and then the version, which is v0.36.0 / space the straight line and then space bash. Go ahead and restart the terminal. After running that command, you can type in nvm space -v to see that nvm is on there. Alright, now let's go ahead and get node in here. So we need to do nvm install node. Run that. And after you ran that, I'm going to have you type in nvm space ls. And you should see at the top the node stable and then the version. Now, all we got to do is create our app. Go ahead and cd into a directory where you want the app to go. For me, I like to put it in projects. And then we're going to run a command. It's going to be npx create-nuxt-app. And then space, and then that's where you're going to name it. I'm going to name it Atom, or Atoms-app. Press enter. Press enter for JavaScript. We're going to go down to npm with the arrow key. Just press up on the arrow key to go to vuetify. Press enter. Press space for Axios. Go down. Press space for progressive web app. And then the next one, we want to use Eslint. Press space, enter. We don't need one for that, so just press enter. So press enter on the universal SSR, and then go down to static. Press enter, and then press space, enter for Java config, and then enter for get, and then let the magic happen. Great, looks like that's finishing up. So now let's just go ahead and pull up the app and let's look at it. To do this, cd into the new folder that was created. For me, it's going to be cd atoms-app, and do npm run dev. Now to look at the website, pull up a web browser and type in localhost :3000. Throw at me any questions you may have in the comments. Subscribe to learn more about websites and general computer science. Follow us on social media. Check out our website to see what we are doing. And stay coding.